Hi students, how are you? Hope you all doing good. Stay home, stay safe. Adarsh Vidyalaya Matriculation Higher Secondary School welcomes you for online class. Students, today we are going to continue with our chapter 3 and this is session 2. For today's class, we will discuss how to copy a file or folder, how to move a file or folder, and what is recycle bin, right? So previous topics which we had discussed already, and today we are going to discuss only about to copy a file or folder, to move a file or folder, recycle bin. Yes, first locate the file or folder which you want to copy. That is where the file is. Locate that file, right? Next, click the file or folder, that is which file you want to copy. Click that file or folder. Next, click the copy icon from the menu bar. In the top, below the title bar is the menu bar. Yes, in that menu bar there is a copy icon, right? Or else you can right click and select copy, or you can use the keyboard shortcut key Ctrl+C, or you can choose edit copy. These are the 4 ways to copy a file or folder, right? And then keep your mouse and locate where you want to copy that file, right? Next, choose edit paste, or right click select paste, or Ctrl+V to paste. Yes, so this is how we copy a file and we paste a file, right? Yes, copy a file and paste a file. Next is to move a file or folder. Before that, we want to know the difference between copying a file or folder or moving a file or folder. Listen, copying a file or folder means the file or folder will be in the both location, that is the location which we are copying and the location where we copied. In both the location the file will be there. But whereas in moving a file, the file when it is moved from one place, it is totally moved. There will be no copy of it. It is totally moved from one location to another location. Clear? Right. So listen to how to move a file or folder. Locate the file or folder you wish to move. Next, click the file or folder you want to move. Same way, click cut icon. Here you will be using cut icon, or right click and select cut, or keyboard shortcut Ctrl+X, or you can choose edit cut. Yes. Next, locate the file or folder where you want to move this, right? So there you can go there and you can choose edit paste, or right click and select paste, or Ctrl+V to paste. So clear with all the 3 shortcut keys. For copy, Ctrl+C, for cut, Ctrl+X, for paste, Ctrl+V. So this is the difference between copying a file and moving a file. I think you are very clear about this, isn't it? Yes. In this you can see the option, right? If you give a right click and find the option called cut and copy. Same way, see this in the next picture. Can you find the option called paste? So only after you are selecting cut or copy, then in another location only you can see that option called as paste. Clear for you? Next, last topic for the class, recycle bin. We already know what do you mean by bin. Yes, the things which we don't want, we will move to bin. The same way, the file or the folder or any other application which we don't want, we can delete it. Yes, and we can move to the recycle bin, which is in our computer. Right? So this resembles like a waste bucket where you can put a file or folder which you want to delete. Yes, we'll come to the end of the session, the 2 marks. How to copy the file or folder, how to move files or folders, and what is recycle bin. I think all the 3 topics are very clear for you. Yes, go through the topic, study, yes, and post back in your corresponding group. Hey students, it's time to say bye-bye. Take care.